Hey guys, welcome back to Legal Noggin. I'm Jeremy. Today we're going to talk about the Pregnant Workers Fairness Act. It's a new act that has been established into law so that individuals that are pregnant can now obtain special services at work. The Pregnancy Discrimination Act, I should say, was an act that would prevent you from being discriminated against on the job, and if you're fired due to pregnancy, you can hold them accountable. But the Pregnant Workers Fairness Act was something that the legislature wanted to come through with to give workers more liberty at work to take breaks. Lactation issues often arise. They need to give you a nicer place to breast milk expression, things like that. Okay, so that's one of the things that the act has done. The other thing that it's done is it's enabled individuals to seek accommodations at work, and whereas the employer at times may try to send you home and make you take leave, they now have to try to find an accommodation, a place for you to work, make it a little better for you there. The other thing is toxic chemicals and things like that. The workers often would be just discarded because they're saying, well, you can't perform the essential functions of the job, much like you'd find under the Americans with Disabilities Act or even under the Pregnancy Discrimination Act. Well, that's not the case with the Pregnant Workers Fairness Act. You now can obtain an accommodation for those types of situations. So we wanted to bring this to your attention to let you know that you have options now, especially if you're a pregnant worker. All right, we wanted to give that information to you. Thanks for watching us. We hope you'll like and subscribe. Look forward to seeing you again on Legal Noggin.